We'll guide you through how to edit YouTube Shorts. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many YouTube creators want to edit their shorts after uploading them, such as trimming unnecessary parts or adding audio to improve the video. However, some users are unfamiliar with the editing tools in YouTube Studio, so they look for simple step-by-step instructions to manage and improve their shorts content easily. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search in your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type studio.youtube.com in the search bar. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the page. Wait a moment while the system directs you to the YouTube Studio login page. When the login screen appears, enter your email address in the provided field, making sure the email is correct and connected to your YouTube account. After entering your email address, click Next to continue the login process. Enter your password in the provided field carefully to avoid typing mistakes. After entering your password, click Next to log in. After logging in, click Short at the top to open the section that displays your YouTube Shorts videos. Next, find the short video you want to edit and click the pencil icon on that video to open its editing page. Then, click Editor on the left side to open the video editing tools for your selected short. Inside the editor, click Trim and Cut to start trimming the video. A timeline will appear showing the duration of your short video. Drag the frame along the timeline to select the section you want to trim and remove unwanted parts. After finishing the trimming process, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes to your video. Next, click Audio to add audio to your short video. Select the audio you want to use. After choosing the audio, click the plus icon to add audio to your video. Once finished, click Save to apply all the changes successfully.